no one believes a police officer goes out in the morning and decides, I want to kill somebody. Does that militate against the intentional or purposeful count two murder charge here?
Linda, it does, but I love how the state has prosecuted this case. They didn't prosecute straight second-degree murder, right, which would require that intent. They charged felony murder, and it's just that intent to commit third-degree assault. So the question is, was Derek Chauvin assaulting George Floyd, and did death result therefrom? And the answer is yes, because even the training manual specifically that discusses this restraint specifically says that you are to release the pressure when you have the suspect in cuffs. So the force that Chauvin applied on Floyd, and whether it was lawful or not, and even if it was lawful at minute 1, doesn't mean it was lawful at minute 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8 minute 48 seconds, which resulted in his death. So the intent that is required for the top count, which is second-degree murder, is just the intent to commit assault, not the intent to kill. So I do think there's enough for the state, and I really applaud them with how they've charged this particular case.
So I think, Joe Scott Morgan, what you're hearing from Neama is almost like the argument that the prosecution is going to give here. But having said that, and even knowing that, isn't the defense trying to give the jury, with all of the other medical evidence, some had to hang on to say, hey, don't convict him at all, but if you do, convict him of a lesser offense?
Yeah, I mean, you teach at Harvard, Linda. You know, if you're teaching your legal pupils there, you know, it's basic 101. You know, we have to create reasonable doubt if we're defending someone, and that's their purpose. You know, and you have to take these. And look, any right-thinking person has to take these into consideration. They're going to talk about the 75% occlusion of the left descending coronary artery. They're going to talk about the presence of meth and fentanyl and you know, whatever else you know, Mr. Floyd had on board. They're going to talk about his history at one moment, you know, at a particular time, and that is what the defense is there to do. So yeah, it's meant to do that. They're going to make this argument.
Speed round, Joseph. Are they going to change venue? Is the judge going to change venue here?
No.
Neama, judge going to change venue tomorrow?
Zero chance, Linda.
Zero chance. Are they going to delay the trial, Joe?
No.
Neama?
No. March 29th.
Are we going to get a jury tomorrow completely? Joseph?
Yes.
Neama?
Yes. Friday afternoon
If only jury deliberation could be as easy if I've had with these two gentlemen who know their business and know their work. Joseph Scott Morgan, thank you so much for spending the last hour and a half with me. Neama, thank you for spending 3 hours again with me. As you know, tomorrow we at the Law and Crime Network will continue to